Hello, my name's Linda and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you these thank you cards that I've been making. The bundle is called the Bubble Over bundle, and it is from our new spring summer catalogue. It's a really good catalogue, and I like this bundle quite a lot. So let's start. I'm going to show you how to make one of these cards. They're really cute, aren't they? They're really small cards. They're a new item. They're called the Narrow cards and envelopes, and they come in a pack of 20, and they're really cute. So right, I'm going to show you two cards actually. And let's start. This is the set we're going to be using, Bubble Over, and it also comes with the dies, which are in a complete muddle, as you can see in my pack. And I'm going to start with one of these envelopes, and thought I was ready, and here we go. And I'm going to be using the large bottle, and I'm going to be stamping it in Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm actually going to be stamping onto a piece of Whisper White, which is going to fit into here. And this is, I cut this at 11 by 6 centimetres, I believe. If that is incorrect, I will change it. I will let you know. Okay, so let's just stamp this bottle to begin. There we go. I'm way behind on my thank you cards for Christmas presents from people that bought us presents for me and the boys and the husband. There we go, lovely bottle. Put that to one side, and then I'm just going to get a piece of spare paper. Here we go, just a piece of Whisper White paper, and I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on here. I'm going to be using Bermuda Bay, and I'm going to be using one of the stamps, this stamp out of the Bubble Over set, and this is going to be our label for the bottle. That's it, just hold that on there till it's completely covered. Move that to one side, just move that out of the way, and I have another couple. I'm going to be using the Yay and the Thank You. And I'm just going to be doing these in black. Although I'm actually going to stamp the thank you on some Tempting Turquoise cardstock, and I'm going to stamp the Yay onto the white. There we go. Obviously you can use whatever colour combinations you would like, and then I'm going to use my 3/4 inch punch, circle punch, and I'm going to cut out thank you. And then I'm going to cut out the Yay. There we go, I'll take those out of the way. Just going to put these to one side for now. Move some of these out of the way so I don't put my arms in them. Okay, and then we're going to bring this back in. And I have lost what I stamped already. Oh, here we go. So I've stamped the label, which is going to go on here, and we have a die to cut that out. But actually I've already done that. So I've already cut it out ready. So we're just going to stick this on. There we go. Unbelievably, I am a little bit out of practice for making videos, and I've already filmed this one once already. Made lots of errors, so I've started again. And then in the middle I'm going to put the Yay. I needed the glue, I don't know why I've put that away. Okay, and also with this great die set, you get little bottle tops, you can see on here, and so I've already cut one of these out to save a bit of time. How cute are they? Really, really cute. And I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on this. And then just pop that on the top. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do a little bit more stamping. So in the bubble over stamp set, there's some bubbles which are really cute. So I'm going to stamp some bubbles on the background. Now let's just put this back in. If you're using the photopolymer stamps, it's always better to put one of these underneath because it's got something to push into and they come out better. I think I'm going to use the Tempting Turquoise for the background. And I'm going to be needing a little bit of scrap paper. And I'm going to do some stamping off, so stamp off and then onto the background. Stamp off and onto the background. Because I didn't want it too dark. So at the moment it's Celebration, so every £45 you spend at Stampin' Up you get to choose an item out of, you get to choose a 3 item I should say, out of a small catalogue. There we go, stamped those. And here's the catalogue, I'll just quickly show you. This is a Celebration, and I want to show you the paper. There's some 12 by 12 paper, Bubble and Fizz, get 12 sheets and it's double sided, and it goes with the Bubble Over bundle. So as you can see here, they've made a few cards to show you. So spend £45 and you get that. Okay, let's just carry on with the card. Let's find my card base. Okay, so quite simple. We're going to stick the Whisper White onto the card base. I'm going to get that out of the way before I stick my arm in it. And here's my glue. And I've also worked out, if you like the look of the bundle, you can buy the bundle and the narrow envelopes. And you get a pack of 20 of those. Come on glue, come out. And you can buy a small block, like block A, which is the smallest block that, that Stampin' Up does. And their blocks are really good. I haven't actually got the block A yet, but this is the smallest one I have. And I can't remember what is that. That's the B, so it's a little bit smaller than that. But what's good about the block A is you lots of these small diddy stamps fit in the block A. So you could buy that, you could buy the Bubble Over bundle, the envelopes and a block A, and that will be about £47, and then that means that you get a free item out of the catalogue, and you could choose the paper or you could choose anything. Okay, so inside these cards I have done a little bottle top thank you. I love that, it's so cute, I really like that. And so I'm going to do exactly the same with this. Again, I've already pre-cut my bottle top, if I can find it, in silver, and we've already stamped the thank you. I'm just going to glue my thank you onto my bottle top. And then I'm going to glue the bottle top into the inside of my card. And there we go. And as you can see, I've done a few different colours. I've done the pinks and the light pink, and I've also done Tempting Turquoise. And this is the envelopes, and I've also stuck this on the front, on the back of the envelope. Obviously you don't have to do that, just to jazz it up a little bit. Okay, but I haven't finished. I'm going to make another card. Another way of making a really quick card, here is some of the paper that you can get with the celebration, and look how clever this is. The dies that come with this, the bottle dies, will cut out the bottles on the paper. How clever is that? There you go, and I've already cut a few out, and that makes it very quick and easy to make a card. So let me show you what I've done here. I've got one of the cards and the envelopes, and here is some more of the paper, and you can cut these out as well with the dies. You can cut these little bottle tops out of the paper with DSP. So I've just cut this at 6 by 11. I'm going to stick it onto the card. I mean, that looks pretty already. And I've already cut the bottle, which I'm going to stick here on the front. And also I have cut the straw. Look how cute. I love the straws. I really do love this set. It's really good. When I went to where did I go? Lost my train of thought. I went to the Stampin Up on stage event in November, and I've stuck the wrong bit there. I need to stick the bottle and then stick that to the back. And they showed us this set when we were there, and I was lucky enough to get the bottle set, just the stamps, and then when I got back I ordered the dies to go with it. And so we can just stick this on the front of the card. Look at that. And the card is almost finished. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get the thank you stamp. Hopefully you can see here. I've had to rearrange of my desk to try and get my camera a bit closer to the desk. I'm just going to stamp the thank you inside. And that card, how quick and easy was that to put together? Really quick and really easy. And so there we go. And here's a lot of the cards, some of the cards that we've made today. So if you would like to order any of these items, please go to my blog, Stampin' by the Beach, and you can click on my shop and you can order from me. And if you're thinking about joining Stampin' Up, or you'd like to join with me, please get in touch with me. Send me an email, get in touch with me on my Facebook or Stampin' by the Beach, and I can let you know a few details. Thanks for watching. Bye.